Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve language skills with Rosetta Stone, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve your language skills using Rosetta Stone, start by creating an account on their website or app. Choose the language you want to learn. Rosetta Stone offers a variety of languages, so pick one that interests you. Once you've selected your language, set your learning goals. Decide how much time you can dedicate to practice each day. Begin with the introductory lesson. This will familiarize you with the basics of pronunciation and vocabulary. Use the immersive training method that Rosetta Stone is known for. This technique helps you learn in context rather than through translation. Take notes during your lessons. Writing down new words and phrases will help reinforce your memory. Practice speaking aloud as you follow along with the audio prompts. This will improve your pronunciation and fluency over time. Utilize the speech recognition technology to correct your accent. The app provides instant feedback, allowing for immediate adjustments. Explore the interactive activities provided in each lesson. These activities include matching images with words and filling in blanks. Revisit previous lessons regularly to reinforce what you've learned. This review helps solidify your understanding and retention. Engage with live tutoring sessions if available in your subscription. Tutors can provide personalized feedback and answer specific questions. Immerse yourself in the language outside of Rosetta Stone. Watch movies, listen to music, or read books in your target language. Join online communities or forums dedicated to language learning. Connecting with other learners can motivate you and provide additional practice. Track your progress within the app to stay motivated. Celebrating small achievements will keep you encouraged. Finally, be patient with yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.